Alright, today we're going to be installing the LED lights in this bus. Show you what that looks like in a moment. Has double-sided tape on the back. Most important thing, you want to clean the surface that you're putting that on. So we're going to use ether and a towel to clean that off, and PBR for the install. Hashtag PBR. You're going to want to spray the cleaner onto the towel to keep from making a mess of everything else. We're going to be applying them here to the paint so it will stick better than applying it to the wood. We use a little less ether doing this than we did on the last video when the bus broke down. Or maybe a little more, because I really enjoy the way it smells. So I guess over here we'll do the wood. So now that we have cleaned the surface, we're going to mount the light strips. The light strips come with the adhesive already on the back. You just peel this off, put the lights where you want them. This is where your power will plug in. We run the strip. We will cut these and splice in the wire to run them to the other side. We will show you that when we get to that point. We will later be installing the headbanger cabinet, which will come to here. So we're going to stop the lights about right here. You'll see on the back of the strip the gold contact points. Those are your cut points. It will also show you on the front of the strip the arrows that will show you where you can cut them. Very important not to cut them anywhere other than where the contact points are located. And leave that end loose for the moment, as you will have to clamp a connector onto that end. So what we have had to do here, the adhesive would not stick to the wood nor the vinyl. So they also sell a kit with these lights with the holders that will hold them in place. So we're having to screw the holders into the wood to keep the lights on the roof. Okay, so when you connect the strips together, where you cut them on the line where it says to cut, we'll leave the contacts open on the back. These are the connectors. There are pins inside here, so you have to be really careful with the placement of this on those pins. You slide them in there. When you press that down, that locks those in place. Now we're going to put one of these on each side of the back and connect them together with the provided wire. When you start with the wire, you'll have to separate the ends of the wire. On this end of the connector, there are grooves that the wires will go in. We'll clamp that down on those, and that will make the connection. First things first. Okay, now that we are connected on both sides, and we will hide this wire later with the headbanger cabinet. Now we will hook power up and we should have lights. So had a few issues with the connections. So again, really important to be careful with the connections. However, got it straightened out. Now we have lights all the way around the bus. Hashtag Pat's Blue Ribbon.